It was just a normal night, driving to see a friend play in a band. It was raining and fault of the weather steered me off the road, and I ended up hitting a tree, which resulted in having a serious injury to my back, which was having 3 breaks, and one of them being unstable. Was advised to have surgery and put 2 rods and 4 screws in. You don't really hear of players really coming back from such a serious injury, maybe. So I was a bit, like, obviously nervous, but the amount of people that actually come up, you know, my family were there, like, every day, supporting me, friends coming up. I had a really close friend come up and give me a shirt off the Women's Welsh squad, signed by all the players and also signed by Jane herself, which was a really nice touch as well. Yeah, without all that support, I don't think I really would have got through.
You do hear of, you know, athletes who suffer serious injuries and they've got all of this support around them, all this rehab. What was it like for you, for an amateur player, and not having kind of the luxuries that professionals have?
It was quite hard. You know, I did take like quite a little bit of a long time out of football before I actually decided to come back. But the support and like of my family especially, as well as I'd like to mention Ian, who's now my current coach at Swansea Ladies. He's just been phenomenal. He's always been really supportive anyway through the years I played football. And just like off all of those guys, and especially the medical team of Swansea now, I probably wouldn't be like back playing football. And
October 2017, against Caernarfon, you made your return with the Swansea Ladies. What was that like, stepping onto the pitch?
It was a bit of a mixture of emotions, really, because, you know, it wasn't really a big crowd there, but it was a bit of a cheer, which was like quite like funny in a way, but also like bittersweet as well, because it was really like emotional coming on, and then all the girls were giving me hugs, high fives, you know. I just felt like it was a proud moment, really.
And just to touch on the Swansea Ladies this season so far, hasn't gone as well as I think you guys would have hoped, but you're still pushing for that Champions League spot.
Yeah, last league game we played was against Cardiff Met, and it's always a big game to like be involved in or be a part of. And unfortunately, we didn't get the result we wanted, you know, but we can still push for that Champions League spot, no doubt. And Ian believes that we can. We just need to get back to those winning ways and, you know, push until the very end of the season.
Well, Lauren, thank you so much, and good luck with the season. And it's great to have you back playing football as well.
Thank you. It's really good to be back.